Third to cert. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So let's discuss the new certifications that I've done. Of course, I'll always show you guys what I did, what I think, and how you can do it. So we're going to discuss this one. I finished the AWS application service overview. So it's really simple, straight to the point. I've been doing a lot of the ones that are simple and straight to the point. The service overview basically just gives you an overview of all the AWS services. This PDF I don't want, but this one I do. So this is what the certification or the certificate of completion looks like once you finish. Of course, it's issued by AWS Training and Certification. That's my name, successfully completed AWS application services. Remember that the reason for me doing these is so that I can add them to LinkedIn. I'm going to show you guys really quickly. I've added that one to LinkedIn. That one actually won't upload until tomorrow. So it'll be on my LinkedIn tomorrow. I've already written the little, post and everything for it. But I'm going to show you all the other ones as I do in all of these videos, just so you can see how I'm leveraging them and how you could potentially leverage them yourself. So here we go. All right. This is a new one. I'm actually about to do a video about this one too. I've recently done this ISC too, but we're going to focus on just how I display them. So I always put them in the featured category on my LinkedIn page. If you're not with me on LinkedIn, go ahead and follow me. Quovadas Gates. Everybody calls me Quo. So this is how I display them. And I've done a good amount of them so that whenever interviewers come through or recruiters come through, they can clearly see that I'm consistently educating myself to potentially get a job in the cloud. All right, here we go. So let's talk about the certificate itself, because that is what you're here for. Here we go. So this certificate, it was short, quick, simple, straight to the point. It talked about the application services, different services you can use, how those services connect to those services if needed. So my computer is going a little slow. Sorry about that, you guys. I have so many tabs up that this thing is like, what are you doing? So here we go. This is another one that I've done too. You guys should go and check out that video. But we're going to discuss the application services certificate. So it gives you an in-depth explanation of the services, and then they pinpoint different services to speak about. So the API gateway is something that they speak about and how it can help developers. They speak about traffic managing and caching and how that helps to improve performance. It'll also speak a little about handling authorization and access control. So that's some security stuff. So you have traffic, you have security, you have accessibility. You also have it basically give a clear description of how certain things can help developers along the way and can help engineers along the way as they build up these programs. And then it tells a little bit about step functions. I've learned about step functions while practicing for cloud practitioner, but I kind of didn't know what it was, or I didn't have a good explanation of it. So this, giving a better explanation of it, really helped me. It shows that some of these applications don't come with charges and how they'll charge you on the back end for the instances that you actually use with them. I gave a shout out to the guy who actually hosted the class. And these are some of the hashtags that I'm putting. Remember, these certificates and my journey with these certificates is so that I can get a cloud role. And if you guys are following along, obviously that's probably why you're here also. So hopefully it can show me my saved stuff, because then I can show you guys exactly which hashtags I use. Oh, let me show you guys something real quick. I know you came to hear about that cert, but let me show you something. So remember, I'm using this to leverage it so that I can get attention, so that I can, either attract the role or apply for the role and get some good feedback from looking for a certain role. So I posted one of those certs that I did, and then LinkedIn says, hey, do you want to post it to this group? So I said, post it. I don't care. So when they posted it to this group, right, I just put my regular little blah, blah, blah. And this is for another cert. So go and watch that video where I talk about this one a little bit. But look, you guys, I've gotten more reactions on this one than I do on my own personal one because this group has a large following. 6,000 impressions, 6,908 impressions. So what my plan is, and this is working forward as to what I'm planning and the attention that I'm trying to grab with doing these, my plan is to go here and run through everybody in these comments or everybody who liked it or gave a hand clap and just send them a message and link with them, see if I can get some mentorship or see if potentially a job or an internship can come from it. So this is a clear indication that this works. Just do the work, post the work, and it could potentially work for you also. So good luck, you guys. Go out, get that cert. It's literally going to take you 5 to 7 minutes. Here's a quick course description. This course introduces application services tools like API Gateway and step functions, which developers can use in conjunction with many other essential AWS services to build cloud-based applications. All right, so go ahead, get it. Simple, easy, free. You know, I don't charge for this stuff. They don't charge for this stuff. And YouTube doesn't charge for you to see the video. So if you want it, go get it. It's here for the taking. I see y'all in the next one. Have a great one. Adios.